Hello, my name is Manuel Fischer from the company itesys. I am here today to introduce you to our product Scansor and to explain the individual sensors and query values. I will show you our product live on our system, so you can see directly how it would also deliver the data from SAP for you. Next, I would like to show you our Profiler. This is very easy to install. You can download it from our website. The installation of our Profiler is guaranteed by the two MSI packages, and all installation files are ultimately contained and visible in the exit.xml folder of PRTG. If you open the Profiler there, you will see that it requires a license. You can obtain this from our website and have a 30-day license free of charge. It is important to note that this license is linked to the machine key. This means you need one license for each probe where our product Scansor is installed. Of course, this license can also be split. When you open the Profiler, you will see that you need to create a profile for each SAP system or SAP instance and store the corresponding data for the queries there. In other words, we need information such as the client for the RFC queries. Normally, Client 0 is sufficient because we only need statistical data. Then, we have a part for the operation system, in which we also need to enter certain information. In addition, if you also have the database on this server, you have to fill in the database part so that this access also works. There are sensor-specific parameters for the various sensors. These are visible in the Profiler, and you can view the customizable parameters here. These can be adjusted directly in the profile or alternatively in PRTG. I will come to this in a moment. We now switch to the PRTG view and see all our connected sensors. We basically divide them into 5 packages. We deliver all SAP sensors to you. Licensing is based on the number of sensors used. The packages are to be understood as guidelines. The standard package is the minimum that we believe should be monitored on an SAP basis system. Then there are the database packages. This is where you select the database you want to connect. The special sensors are to be understood as a menu card. There you select the sensors you need and also want to monitor and connect them. We also have security and cloud sensors. You can also select the right sensors for you there as required. If you need more information or have any questions, you can find the answers on our website or contact us using the contact form on the website. See you next time.